تموج التحايا بجيد السماء كعقد بهين كثير النقاء.
The newspaper says the sniper was targeting the Americans. Salim was just unlucky to be on stage with them.
There is no luck. How many times did I tell Salim it was dangerous to get too close to our occupiers?
So, you believe he was the target?
I believe only what I know. Salim Haqqan was a man with many enemies, and now he is dead.
And you don't care who killed him?
God killed him, as he will kill us all whenever it suits his will.
But Salim worked for us. To leave his murder unavenged, people will say the Halani family grows weak.
Who will say this? You see, my little brother, there's no concern for our reputation. The only thing that we need to concern about is buying a new policeman to replace our dearly departed Salim Haqqan. Peace be unto him.
Of course. It is as you say.
Come now. It is time for prayer.
فأنتم أضأتم لنا الملتقى.